This tutorial shows how to make a GIF in WeVideo. It also covers using the screen recording option in WeVideo. Start in your WeVideo dashboard. Click the arrow on the Create New button. Scroll down to where it says GIF. And on the arrow, you can see that you have 3 different choices of size. Pick which size you would like to work with. I'm going to choose rectangular. This opens up your GIF timeline. At this point, you're going to add pictures and text or video to the timeline to convey whatever message it is that you want. GIFs can be up to 45 seconds long. First, let's cover uploading some video and using it in a GIF. Click Import. Go to Browse and choose the video that you would like to upload. And then it's right there inside of your media. And you are going to pull down the video that you want onto your timeline. To add text, click on Text and choose the text that you would like to add. I really like this one. I'm going to drop it onto my timeline, and I'm going to adjust where the video is so that it comes after the text. Then inside of the text, I'm going to click on it, click the Edit button, and I am going to change what it says to what I want it to say. Once you have your text down on the timeline, it's time to change it, customize it, make it look however you would like. So on this portion of the video, I have the caption, "Don't let this happen to you," and I want that to really stand out. So I am going to try to find a color that best pops. You can find this is where the graphic design comes out in every person. You can change the font to anything you want. You can switch from auto to manual, and that allows you to change the size. I'm going to try 150 and see if that gets the size I wanted or if that makes it too big. I'm going to pull it down. I really don't want it to cover the teacher's face, so I'm going to switch it to 120, see if that will be better. And I want both sides to match. And this really is just sort of an experimentation. And then I just move the text where I want it to go and press Save Changes. So now let's watch the GIF.
There was a test today?
Obviously, in a GIF, there won't be any sound, but you still get the image that is on everyone's face. Now, go to Finish and choose what size you would like it to be. If you're going to be emailing it, the best option is going to be small. And then save it in your Google Drive. And then press Export. You can also make GIFs that use screen recordings. In WeVideo, you have this option right here that says Record. When you click that, it asks you, do you want to use your webcam or do you want to use your screen or both? I'm going to say that I would like to make a recording of my screen. And And this I actually don't need any audio for, so I'm going to say no audio. And then I am going to choose that I want to film a Chrome tab up here that is my canvas. And I'm going to say share. And now it is filming everything that's happening over here. I am going to go into student view, and I am going to show my students how to submit an assignment. So I'm going to try to think about how I want this to look. So I'm going to very slowly move the mouse over on choose one, kind of almost like I'm showing the kids what the options are. And then I'm going to show them that I want them to turn in a media file. And then I'm going to scroll. I'm going to maybe even sort of circle over the option. I'm going to say I want them to record themselves. And I'm just going to show them how to do a little screen recording. I'm going to start recording and finish recording. And then press save. Just showing the kids all of the different steps. And then once it's saved, I would show them that they could then press submit assignment. And it shows that it is submitted. And then I would say stop the recording. And I would leave Canvas, and then in my video, it shows that it has saved this. And I'm going to press save. And then my little screen recording is right there. And I can chop this up and only use a part of it so that I can show the kids how to submit their assignment. Thanks for watching.